am I meticulous in anything in life? And the answer would be no. The closest thing that I am meticulous to would be how I treat other people and my overall general energy, frequency and vibration. I try to be as kind as possible and compassionate as possible. I try to care as much as I can, given my sleep levels, my energy levels, my physical health levels, or my trigger and unhealed trauma arising levels, which these days have done so much work, thankfully. It doesn't really arise much anymore, really at all, almost. Like I just made a Facebook post, so I'll try and put the picture here. Myself and my partner, we went from strife partners to life partners, and we walked the road deeply, from 3D to 5D. Obviously we're not always at 5D, we're not like super ascended like Arcturians or Palladians, or super high vibrational compared to humans, but we're not in our trigger, pain body, shadow as much anymore whatsoever at all. So we went from strife partners to life partners, and from 3D to 5D. And the path that's fun and crazy, like a true roller coaster, is 4D. That's the letting go of the old, the ego, the pain, the selfishness, the inherited dense belief systems and habits and patterns, the heavy stuff, the hurtful stuff. And it's looking at yourself in truthfulness and honest appraisal and evaluation. And journeying through 4D is like going to a big forest, deep forest. You never know what surprises you're gonna meet there or be greeted with. It takes a certain degree of bravery and maturity for sure. But the reward is something new and beautiful, in my opinion and in my experience. And it's something you would have glimpsed in the most nicest moments in your relationships ever, that just happen to appear and exist much more often in your life. So it's very special, and it's very, very magical. It's very good. It's very wonderful. It's precious. It's very special. So that's my biggest passion, and what you could call spirituality, and raising our frequency, energy, consciousness and vibration, as well as mixed in with thoroughly got to do our relationships with people in general and our partners. That's what I'm writing a book on and books on, and I'm very, very, very excited to share with the world, to help people, to help individuals especially, but also the planet, to keep ascending into higher states of frequency, energy, consciousness, vibration. And I really look forward to sharing with you all. And thanks for all your positive love and attention, time and support of a mixture of me, this channel and this channel's message. And I look forward to seeing you again another time, and to collaborate potentially, or even to befriend. Just check me out in the links below on my social media, and I'd love to connect with you if you're interested. Have a nice day, my friends. Until then, have a beautiful now moment always.